Chandrayaan-3. India's third lunar mission. Introduction. Chandrayaan-3 is the third and most recent lunar exploration mission under the Chandrayaan program of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It consists of a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, similar to Chandrayaan-2, but does not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module behaves like a communication relay satellite. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100 km lunar orbit. 12. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 took place on 14 July 2023. At 2:35 p.m. Eastern lunar injection of 100 km circular polar orbit was completed successfully as part of Phase 130 for the lander and rover are expected to land near the lunar South Pole region on 23 August 2235. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is a stepping stone towards ISRO's future interplanetary missions. The main objectives of Chandrayaan-3 are getting a lander to land safely and softly on the surface of the moon, observing and demonstrating the rover's loitering capabilities on the moon, conducting scientific experiments using various instruments on board the lander and rover. Before knowing more about Chandrayaan-3, let's talk about Chandrayaan-2 and why it is considered as a failure. Chandrayaan-2 was India's second lunar mission that aimed to achieve a soft landing on the moon and conduct scientific experiments using a lander and a rover. However, the mission failed to achieve its desired objective as the lander crashed on the lunar surface on September 6, 2019, just minutes before the touchdown. According to ISRO, the main reasons for the failure of Chandrayaan-2 lander were: the 5 engines of the lander generated higher thrust than expected, which caused errors in the velocity and orientation of the lander. The software of the lander was unable to detect and correct these errors, as it was not designed to handle such high rates of change. The landing site was too small and uneven, which limited the margin of error for the lander. ISRO has learned from these mistakes and has improved the design, testing, and validation of the Chandrayaan-3 lander and rover systems. ISRO has also collaborated with various national and international agencies and experts to ensure the quality and reliability of the mission. ISRO has chosen a bigger and smoother landing site near the lunar South Pole for Chandrayaan-3. ISRO has also planned a series of orbit-raising maneuvers to gradually lower the altitude of the spacecraft until it reaches a suitable orbit for landing. ISRO has also equipped the lander with various sensors and actuators to detect and avoid hazards during the landing phase. Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3 are both lunar missions of ISRO, but they have some differences in their design, objectives, and landing sites. Here are some of the main differences between them. Chandrayaan-2 had an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, while Chandrayaan-3 has only a lander and a rover. The propulsion module of Chandrayaan-3 acts as a communication relay satellite. Chandrayaan-2 aimed to land on the near side of the moon, while Chandrayaan-3 aims to land on the south pole of the moon. The South Pole is of great interest for lunar exploration, as it is thought to be rich in water, ice, and minerals. Chandrayaan-2 had a small and uneven landing site of 500 x 500 m, which limited the margin of error for the lander. Chandrayaan-3 has a bigger and smoother landing site of 4.2 km x 2.5 km, which gives more flexibility for the lander to touch down safely. Chandrayaan-2 failed to achieve a soft landing on the moon due to errors in the thrust, orientation, and software of the lander. Chandrayaan-3 has improved the design, testing, and validation of the lander and rover systems to overcome these challenges. Chandrayaan-3 has added more fuel, a new sensor, stronger legs, and more safety measures to the lander to ensure a successful landing and operation on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan-3 is more autonomous than Chandrayaan-2, as there will be no human intervention possible once the lander and rover land on the moon. Why Chandrayaan-3 is a proud moment for India. Chandrayaan-3 is a proud moment for India for several reasons. It showcases India's resilience and determination to achieve its lunar ambitions despite the setback of Chandrayaan-2, where a last-minute glitch in the landing guidance software led to the lander crashing after entering lunar orbit. It demonstrates India's technological prowess and innovation in developing a low-cost and high-performance lunar mission that can compete with other space-faring nations such as China, Russia, and the US. It contributes to India's scientific knowledge and understanding of the Moon, especially its South Pole region, which is of great interest for future exploration and utilization due to its potential resources such as water, ice, and minerals. It inspires millions of Indians, especially the young generation, to pursue their dreams and aspirations in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM fields and to take pride in their country's achievements. Success chances of Chandrayaan-3. The success chances of Chandrayaan-3 are high based on several factors. ISRO has learned from the mistakes and challenges of Chandrayaan-2 and has improved the design, testing, and validation of the lander and rover systems. ISRO has collaborated with various national and international agencies and experts to ensure the quality and reliability of the mission. For example, ISRO has received tracking support from the European Space Agency ESA under a new cross-support arrangement. ISRO has chosen a landing site that is relatively flat, smooth, and free of obstacles such as craters and boulders. The landing site is located between Mansinoo SC and Simpale IUS in craters at 69.3676 to 1s, 30.3481 to 6e2. ISRO has planned a series of orbit-raising maneuvers to gradually lower the altitude of the spacecraft until it reaches a 30 km x 100 km orbit around the Moon. From there, the lander will separate from the propulsion module and perform a power descent using its 4 throttle-able engines to touch down softly on the lunar surface. ISRO has equipped the lander with various sensors and actuators to detect and avoid hazards during the landing phase. These include laser inertial referencing and accelerometer package LIRA-P, Ka-band altimeter CARA, lander position detection camera LPDC, lander hazard detection avoidance camera LHDAC, laser altimeter LASA, laser Doppler velocimeter LDV, lander horizontal velocity camera LHVC, microstar sensor, inclinometer touchdown sensors. In summary, Chandrayaan-3 is India's third lunar mission that aims to achieve a soft landing on the Moon and conduct scientific experiments using a lander and a rover. It is a proud moment for India as it reflects its resilience, determination, technological prowess, innovation, scientific curiosity, and inspiration for its people. The success chances of Chandrayaan-3 are high based on the improvements, collaborations, preparations, and capabilities of ISRO and its mission. Chandrayaan-3 is expected to land on the Moon on 23 August 2023 and operate for 1 lunar day, about 14 Earth days. It will pave the way for India's future interplanetary missions and enhance its position as a leading space-faring nation.
If you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel and push the bell icon. Please like and comment on our videos. Thank you.